How to change SportyBet bet code into 1xbet code. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. There are various third-party apps in order to convert the bet codes. You can even try out them. But for now, I'll choose the online method. On your browser, search for bet code convert. You'll see different options. For the free method, you can tap on this convertbetcodes.com. You will be prompted to this kind of website. First of all, enter the booking code over here. And right below that, you can see the convert from option. Since we are converting the SportyBet bet code, tap on this drop down list, search for SportyBet, select your preferred one, and in the convert to option, you need to select the 1xbet. Search for 1xbet and similarly tap on your preferred one. So once you enter all these details, you can now tap on this convert button. And that's how we can easily change from a SportyBet bet code into the 1xbet code. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.